Rinse and repeat. It is going to be warm and humid with the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms in some spots. The coverage, though, is looking a bit minimal, and it's going to be especially for areas farther south. So I'm running with that stray potential for a stray afternoon shower or thunderstorm. Otherwise, it's all about the heat the rest of the week. The humidity is going to be a big kicker before we see some relief on the back half of the weekend. Your morning commute, it features some fog in some spots through 7 and 8 o'clock. That should be improving. In the afternoon, sunny to partly cloudy, temperatures in the 80s. And looking at the fog this morning, it's not so bad, but we're going to be watching for some fog to form right along the lake. Right now, visibility is down to 4 miles in Waukegan, and that's the lowest spot that I'm seeing first thing this morning. 60s and 70s showing up on the map. We have 73 currently in Midway, 68 in Aurora. It is 72 right now in McHenry. Afternoon, a couple of pop-up thunderstorms for some spots. I'm watching mainly south of 80, and we may see a random storm or two, especially farther north, but I'm banking on sunshine to really crank up the heat for the rest of the day. Anything that does pop will clear out throughout the evening, leading us to quiet skies for tomorrow morning, and once again, some areas of fog. Going for a high today of 85 out of O'Hare today. Warmer inland, pushing near 90 degrees with the isolated chance for a shower or storm. Tonight, foggy, 65 degrees. And then for tomorrow, widespread 80s once again in the 80s. A couple of areas near 90 degrees. But we're cranking up the heat here this weekend. In your 7-day planner, by Friday, you're going for 89 degrees and 90 on Saturday, with the off chance for a stray thunderstorm potential through the heat of the day. On Sunday, not as humid, so we'll definitely feel that change in that department, but it's still going to be pretty toasty out there. 89 degrees with relief from the heat in store by next week. Monday and Tuesday will be sunny with temperatures in the low 80s.